designed to support LGBTQ plus travelers and those living in hostile states. This guidebook gives a rundown of state-by-state anti-LGBTQ plus policies, LGBTQ plus protections, resources for financing a move and determining access to healthcare, information for filing complaints for violation of civil rights laws, how to engage in local advocacy opposing anti-LGBTQ plus efforts, as well as how to navigate tough conversations about anti-LGBTQ plus hate with friends and family. We want to empower LGBTQ plus people to protect themselves and fight back. Please help share this information with all those who need it. And allies, we need you now more than ever to join us in this fight on the front lines. Know that LGBTQ plus people nationwide will not be erased. Not now, not ever.
This is genocide! This is not normal! We must breathe clean air! We must live life like normal, livable, future people! Fuck shitbags and fuck fossil fuel billionaires! And fuck this government for being passive and allowing it to happen! We need new leadership! We need a new system that does not allow this earth and our futures to die! We all must wake up to the climate crisis! This is not okay! Climate billionaires, fossil fuel billionaires, refuse to stop investing in fossil fuels, and therefore our politicians are getting paid off by those motherfuckers, and all of us are gonna have to live an unlivable future. And I'm the lucky one, because I'm in the richest country in the world, but most people are not gonna have it like that. Most people are gonna have to flee for their lives. Millions of people are going to die unless we take action today. So this cannot be considered normalcy. We need people to wake the fuck up. This is a climate crisis, and this is being funded by fossil fuel billionaires for state fucking things.
Oh, she woke. Oh, you woke. Oh, she woke.
It's Pride, everybody! Every color on the Pride flag is a symbol in the sky. And I'm proud to be me every time that I see that Pride flag waving high. Red means life because living is a gift. Orange means healing and we have to persist in working to heal the world and healing ourselves. Yellow means sunlight cause you gotta shine bright. Green means nature and we gotta fight to keep our earth a thriving home for life. Doesn't it just fill you with pride, showing who you are?